if we do not do dawah to our Christian friends, to our Hindu friends, and to our non-Muslim friends, on the day of judgment, they will hold our collar and they will tell us that why did you not tell us what we are doing is wrong? And they will enter hellfire, and if you do not do dawah to them, you will follow them as well. Because it is our duty to do dawah to our non-Muslim friends, to our non-Muslim colleagues. If you truly love your non-Muslim friend, you would not want him to go into hellfire. You would tell him what he's doing is wrong, rather than agreeing with him and wishing him on this day of festival. So tell your non-Muslim friends in a nice way. That is good, with wisdom and with beautiful preachings, and inshallah it will have an impact on them. As far as eating in the houses of the non-Muslims on these days of the religious festival, for example a Christmas dinner or a Christmas lunch or any other specific lunch wherein these non-Muslims, they invite you on that religious festivals, specifically on this day of their religious festival, even this should totally be avoided. But generally going to non-Muslims' homes or houses, if they invite us, there is no problem in it, as long as the meat that they're serving, it is halal, and this should be fine.